क्या है मेरे तो चैनल से। और AGI Greenpac stock fall 5% after announcing Q3 results. Check details. Synopsis and AGI Greenpac Limited report 3.76% YoY revenue decline and a 21.06% YoY net profit drops in Q3 financial year 26 result. This small cap stock engaged in manufacturing sustainable glasses container, PET bottles, specialty glass product, and anti-counterfeiting and security caps and closure crashed 4.81% after the company reported December quarterly results a 21.06% YoY decrease in net profit. With a market capitalization of Rs 4,205.33 crore, the shares of the AGI Greenpac Limited has reached an intraday low of Rs 645.20 per equity share, down nearly 4.81% from its previous day close price of Rs 677.80. Since then, the stock has returned and it is currently trading at Rs 650 per equity share. Q3 result और आप लोगों ने देखा Q3 result coming into the quarterly result of AGI Greenpac Limited, the company consolidated revenue from the operation decreased by 3.76% YoY from Rs 658.48 crore in Q3 financial year 25 to Rs 633.69 crore in Q3 financial year 26 and grew by 5.34% QoQ from Rs 001.58 crore in Q2 financial year 26. और आप लोगों ने देखा तो further the company EBITDA has decreased by 11.24% from Rs 169 crore in Q3 financial year 25 to Rs 150 crore in Q3 financial year 26. EBITDA margin has also decreased from 25.7% Q2 financial 24 to 23.7% in Q2 financial year 25. In Q3 financial year 26, AGI Greenpac Limited consolidated net profit decreased by 21.06% YoY, reaching Rs 71.45 crore compared to Rs 90.51 crore during the same period last year. As compared to Q2 financial year 26, the net profit has decreased by 5.96% from Rs 75.98 crore. The basic earning per share decreased by 21.09% and stood at Rs 11.4 as against at 13.99 recorded in the same quarter in the previous year. Financial year 2025, AGI Greenpac Limited revenue and net profit have grown to a CAGR of 20.93% and 18.6% last 3 years. In terms of return ratio, the company rose and ROI stand at 19.3% and 16.2% respectively. AGI Greenpac Limited has an earning per share EPS of the Rs 51.5 and it is a debit to equity ratio 0.20x.